Hello, algebra students. I've had a lot of requests for a midpoint video, and I'll show you it is super duper simple. To find the midpoint, we need to find the middle of two different points. Like I've got point A and point B right here. I need to find the coordinates that are in the middle. Point A is located at 3, 1, right? And point B is located at 8, 9. What numbers are in the middle? Well, all I'm going to do is I'm going to find the middle of the x's, find the middle of the y's. Yeah. To find the middle, I'm going to average them. To find the middle of the x's, I'm going to add 3 and 8 and divide by 2. I'm suggesting that the x-coordinate of the midpoint is going to be 11 divided by 2, or 5.5. Okay? To find the middle of the y's, I'll average them. 1 plus 9 divided by 2 be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So I'm suggesting to you that the midpoint of segment AB is going to be 5.5, 5, just like that. So let's see if I'm right. Let's see how this looks. All right, drew in this segment. Don't normally have to draw in the segment, but I'm just showing you. Let me go to 5.5. It's going to be along here, and up to 5. Look at that. That point falls exactly on the line, and doesn't it look like it's smack in the middle? Yeah, it sure does, and it is. All right, so to find a midpoint, all you need to do are average your x's and average your y's. Okay, I'm going to do one of these for you, and then this thing is out of control. I'm going to do one of these problems for you, and the other 3 I want you to practice and do yourself. All right, so here we go. Problem number 1, I'm going to average the x's. So I'm going to average the x's. To average is to add together and divide by how many there are. Okay, so 4 plus 6 divided by 2, and that's going to be 5. And then I'm going to average my y's. I'm going to average the y's, and that's going to be 10 plus 2 divided by 2, and that's going to be 6. I'm suggesting that the midpoint is at 5, 6. All right, you go ahead and try 2, 3, and 4 on your own. Pause the video because I'm going to put my answers up here in a second. Have you paused the video yet? Okay, here we go. Here come the answers. You haven't paused. Go ahead. The midpoint of number 2 is, let me see, is going to be 1.5 and then 2, right? Because 6 plus negative 3 is 3, divided by 2 is 1.5. 7 plus negative 3 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So that's the midpoint for number 2. Midpoint for number 3, if you haven't done it yet, pause the video. Looks like it's going to be 3, 1. And the midpoint for number 4 looks like it's going to be 5, 4. Okay, if you still need some help with that, let me know. This stuff is pretty easy. I can help you out. Mr. Lawrence signing off. That's it for the midpoint video.